San Diego and everyone else, if you've noticed how cool the moon looks tonight, it's a full moon. It's called the Wolf Moon. I looked it up. It's because it's the first full moon of the year, and I guess that's always called the Wolf Moon. It represents winter and the long nights and wolves howling at the moon. But what's special about today's is you can actually see Mars. I just used my binoculars, but I read that you'll be able to see it with the blind eye once it's a little bit darker. You can see Mars in the bottom left corner of the moon. And it was really cool. So you should go look tonight.